What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and promote your business, your Facebook, your YouTube or Instagram or whatever you want to promote just by this simple method. This method is also known as SMS marketing. So for that, what you have to do is you just have to send SMS. Now how you can go and do that? There are some ways where you can go and get free SMSs, but it is not always for free. You just sometimes need to pay if you want to go and do that. So for that you just have to go and send SMS. Alright, so you have one service that is WhatsApp, and it is providing you to send SMSs from WhatsApp, but this method is also giving you the method that one website is, if you search on Google send SMSs, that is very famous website we do SMS. This is how it looks. So you just have to add mobile number and send SMSs. So if you want to promote, for example, Facebook page, just go and Control C on your keyboard, just go and comes over here Facebook. Alright, so just type follow me on Facebook or whatever you want, just go and paste it. This is my YouTube, just go and Control C, just comes over here, and if you paste it, it will go and you can promote that one. So right now it's almost 2 a.m. No, it's perfectly 2 a.m. in the morning. So for that you just have to, for example, always end the day with a positive thought and grateful heart, sleep tight, good night. So it's very nice SMS, just click on it and it's directly going to comes over here. Just add mobile number, click on send SMSs, and it is going to deliver right over there. Alright, so next service, that means next website do I use is Fast To SMS. Now over here I have 5 rupees right now, so that means I can do some of the credited work also. So if I want to promote something in bulk, I can do that one over here. So this is bulk SMS, that means you can go and share the link to like thousands of the people by one single click. Only things is, if they have TND activated in their mobile phone, your message is not going to be delivered. Now there are two kinds of SMSs, that is going to be transaction SMSs, and another one is like a usual message. For a transaction, for example, if you are withdrawing anything from ATM, it should be delivered. So for that, in the morning you can send all of the SMSs, which is going to be free, but transaction SMSs 24/7, it is going to be activated. Alright, so just go and think about it before promoting. So promoting SMSs should be in the daytime, so click on bulk SMSs and you can go and just add all of the things, whatever the details you want. Just add like Excel sheet, then you can go and add thousands and lakhs of the people, just go and do that one as well. So custom SMS is going to be like every individual has different name, right? So that's what custom SMS is. Multimedia SMS is, you can send like, you can use the take the help of images and click on send. Now WhatsApp is doing very good business, but sending it in a bulk SMSs is going to be very nice. So I'm a developer, I look forward for APIs. So it also has APIs for that. Just click and comes over here, click and enable, just go and do that one and just provide it with that. So it's my Nazir Hakim. I use video SMSs as well, just so it also has APIs for that. Just go and that's about it. And looking forward for that, I use this SMSs as well. So I created one SMS website as well. So if you are looking forward for no advertisement, nothing, just go and search for good SMSs. So I have created SMSs like over the thousands and lakhs of the SMSs in my website. So if you want to go and look forward for that, all of the website is going to be in the description as well. So top 10 happy Valentine's Day for WhatsApp in English. So you can go and search for read more, click on read more, and you can go and read it also. So I have also given the categories, you can go and read all of that one. You can comment it down below, and of course it is going to be comment replied by me. Alright, so just go and search for whatever the status you like. Funny SMSs is very nice. FB status, just click on FB status. Okay, it has 100 SMSs. Click on read more, and you can go and find out whatever the things you like and just go and publish it on Facebook. I most of the time search for motivation. Click on motivation, just go and search it. If you are bored to search and see the categories, just you can go and use handy tool that is search. So 100 SMSs, click on read more, just read whatever the things you like. The only way to do great work is to love what you do by Steve Jobs. That's very nice. So can go and read more of them. One, dream big, work hard. Right, so go and get motivated. Walt Disney also had said, if you can dream it, you can do it. So just go and click on subscribe button, and you will get something more, and you will get something new each and every time I create some videos. If you click on bell icon, you will be notified that I made some new videos. Alright, so this is the way of you can go and promote yourself. Alright, so that's about it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.